Hello, and thanks for joining me. Well, last month I went to the Florida Flywheeler Antique Tractor and Engine Show, and I gotta tell you, it was amazing. It's an annual event, but they did something a little different this year. They had a YouTube creator meet and greet, and it was a chance for YouTube creators to meet the public and or meet some of their viewers. And I met about 15 or 20 of my viewers, and I got to tell you, it was fantastic meeting you. Thanks for the support and thanks for the views. But it was also an opportunity for me to meet some of my fellow YouTube creators. People like Keith Fenner, Keith Rucker, A-Bomb, much bigger names than me. But oh, and my personal favorite, Mr. Pete. He's just the same in person as he is in his videos. Very likable guy. Anyway, it's an annual event, and I hope you join me next year, 2023. I plan on being there, hopefully. Anyway, let's check out the video I shot. I'm sure you'll like it. And thanks again for joining me. Take a look at this motor. This is extreme.
Engage the air. About the fourth revolution, it'll be running.
I was thinking the other day, you know, the most important days in your life is to find out about it. Today you were conceived, today you were born, today you died.
Yep. Look at these things.
That's pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Being inventive and giving them.
That's a special seat. You better get position.
Yeah. And believe me, you can smell it. But it smells even better than it tastes. I'm gonna be for the cows. No, it's not. I'm gonna wash it out.
Go ahead, Jim, go ahead and announce we're going to do this again next season.
We're going, okay. 28, yeah, 28 days. He was a big fan. We can go home, okay? All right.